I had to pull over. I'm not even parked yet because I came to the plaza and I totally forgot that there was a Five Below opening here, and I've never been in one in my life, and I was here like 2 weeks ago and it wasn't open yet, and it's open now, so I am so pumped. I've never been in one in my life. Oh my god! Hey guys, I'm here in Michigan today shopping. I am Canadian, so we are going to go into this new Five Below today and see what is in there. Let's go! What? Sugar Rush? This is exciting.
If we don't find anything else.
The store is like brand new, guys. It looks awesome in here. Apparently we are here on grand opening day, which means no shopping carts. I'm just glad it's not busier than it is. So we didn't realize that it's not Five Below, it's 7 and below. But I need to get some headphones for my son for school. So this is what the selection is here. Instead of getting them from Dollar Tree. These will be affordable, but a little bit of better quality. And then he won't be going to school with his $30 ones. You got some Panda Bear headphones. Oh my god. That's a good deal on candles. I know the Dollar Plus section at Dollar Tree, they're $5, and Confessions of a Dollar Tree Addict was saying they smelled really good, so maybe these ones do too. Citrus and ginger. Let's smell that. It smells more vanilla-y. It does have 2 wicks, which is nice. They've got matcha green tea. This is a candle in a coffee cup. How cute is that? Spiced honey. That would make such a good gift. And then they have candles for your star sign. That's great. The aromatherapy up here. Grapefruit, spearmint, basil. I bet that smells really good. A pumpkin patch. Pomegranate and berries, white jasmine tea, and this one also comes in warm apple pie latte. So guys, I did have to just record a voiceover here. The music was super loud in the store. All of these candles smelled great, and for the price, I think they are a really good deal. And next we have the pet section here. These dog beds, I should go back and get this beige one with the gold rainbows. Was so adorable. And the houseware section was the best part of the store for the value, I think. And look at these mugs. I had to just talk myself out of about 5 different ones. How cute are these tea infusers? And these ramen, it's a ceramic bowl with chopsticks meant for ramen noodles, but you could use this for a mug. And look at these sushi sets right underneath where those mugs were. So cute with the print, and they came with the chopsticks and the little side trays for the wasabi or your ginger. These are a really good deal, but Luna would just destroy them. She can only have the Kong ones.
I've been to the one.
I can't believe these smudge bowls are only $5. So like I said, the houseware section, like where can you find carpets for $5, guys? And they are small, but they're perfect for fitting in the washing machine if you do need to wash your rugs like I do with kids and pets. So we are going to see if we can find a cart because these throw pillows are only $5 each. These Harry Potter little stuffies only $5. And they had some candy out front. I don't know if it was because it was Halloween or if they always have it. I've heard these Krabby Patty gummies are actually really tasty. And then these apples. So these apple pops, you guys saw me haul these at Dollar Tree, 6 in a bag for $1.50. probably about the same price for $5. But we're just gonna hover around the front until we can get a cart. Can anybody say that this is a good deal on PJ bottoms? $5, and you can see me here. I really liked this color, and I am searching to see if they have pockets, because a perfect PJ pant has to have pockets, and unfortunately I discovered that these do not, so I did leave them at the store. But if that's not a deal breaker for you, go grab them. They have Bob's Burgers shirts for $5 and Pac-Man shirts. Oh, we see LA Colors, same brand they're carrying at Dollar Tree. This is the Halloween stuff. I'm trying to, oh, and see, all the dollar stuff is by the checkout, I guess. Let's go there while we're waiting. That's cute. Well, that's a better deal than the dollar store now for those Hot Wheels. So I don't know if this is typical Five Below. I always thought it was more like a Dollar Tree with like the way Dollar Tree Plus is. But I don't think it is. It's much better. Much cooler. More PJ pants. We're in the game section. I see Minecraft here. How many in here though? 9 to collect, only 1 in pack, unfortunately. I'm hoping that we'll find the Minecraft figures at Dollar Tree today. Pokemon cards for $5. This is just amazing for stocking stuffers. I will come here for all of my Christmas gifts, most likely. Yeah, just really impressed. Mostly not even just with what they have, but the way the store is laid out and designed is super great with the signs and everything. It's really awesome. So these Stanley mug dupes, $5. I'm not in that trend club, but if you are, this is where you should come. And this is exciting because, as I said about trying to get my house organized, I have depression and recently changed my meds, so I have lots of energy. A 3-pack there. To be able to do that now, so it's pretty exciting for me. And there are these bubble foam type of slippers with the Sherpa lining that we see all over Temu. It's like some nice makeup brushes for $2. What's down here? Lip healing lip oil, so you get 5 for $5. This one is Balm. Strawberry, green apple, lavender and lemon, plum, honey, and jasmine. That seems like a good value for the price, and it would make a really good gift. What's this? Lip tint and hydrate. And then down here they have the full sets. This is like a spa one with a cuticle oil, base coat, hand cream, hand therapy, so that's for your hands. And then this one for eyeshadow palette, brush, brow palette. Wow, my little niece would love that. It's a lot. I don't know what the quality is like, but the price is awesome. I might get one of these. This makeup brush holder you could also use for toothbrushes. And then we have the jewelry section. $3.25 it says. I don't know about the jewelry, looks a little bit cheap. These are cute with the charms. It's a different price on each side of this thing here. Lashes. Heated eyelash curler. I've been wondering about that because I bet you it would be a lot more permanent than just pressing with that. So for the $5, they have lots of options on the nails, and it is $24 in a pack. So Dollar Tree is $1.50, so that would be $3. I don't know if these are better quality or not. Have awesome design. I have had to go to the bathroom since before I got here. I couldn't resist coming in as soon as I saw that it was open. So I'm definitely going to be going to TJ Maxx after this to use the bathroom. So far, I feel like the best values that I've seen. That's really cool. It's got dried flowers in it. It's cuticle oil. I thought it was nail polish. That's great. Is in the home section. This stuff's really cool, and I would get it for the novelty. But as far as value goes, we can see stuff at Dollar Tree like this for more than half the price. This is a good deal. And there's a cat one somewhere. That was super funny, but I can't see it. Oh, this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and to like, comment, and share this video. I appreciate all of your support and have so much fun doing this. I will be posting a separate video of all of the items that I purchased at Five Below today, as well as what I purchased at TJ Maxx during this shopping trip. Thanks, guys. Stay frugal.